Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin with clean, safe materials and a simple sugar solution. You'll sterilize a clear bottle, then measure 1 cup sugar to 4 cups water to make nectar. Once done, heat water until hot but not boiling, dissolve sugar fully, and let the solution cool to room temperature before filling. You do this to prevent fermentation and to keep birds healthy. Make sure to work on a stable surface. Use a funnel to avoid spills and assemble the lid while the liquid cools. Now you'll convert that bottle into a feeder. You cut or adapt the base if your design uses an inverted feeding tray, then install small feeding ports or nipples and paint or mark red areas to draw hummingbirds. Once installed, pour cooled nectar into the bottle with a funnel, then screw the lid tightly and check seals. If you see slow drips, tighten or add a rubber washer. You do this to keep nectar fresh longer and to prevent ants and wasps from entering. Finally, hang the feeder in a shaded spot 5 to 10 feet from windows to reduce collisions and overheating. You'll check it daily for ants, mold, or cloudiness. Replace nectar every 3 to 4 days in hot weather or about weekly when cool, because freshness matters for bird health. If mold or fermentation occurs, empty the feeder, scrub with hot water and vinegar, rinse thoroughly, and start again. Remember, regular maintenance keeps hummingbirds
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.